over. My day's over. More's just
Woo-hoo!
I'm sorry, Lori.
Tula Pink. No way. I get to quilt. I like quilting.
Yes, you do. Whoa, whoa. Good job. I got it.
Hey, Chris, you got the phone?
I got it now.
Okay.
I don't think this is all of them, this Tula. I think it's just part of, I think we ordered a lot more.
It sure added up a lot dollar-wise.
I was going to say, I don't think this is all of it. We might get some more tomorrow, but okay.
Okay, we'll see what we have. A little Tula Pink here. Oh, by the way, this is Lori and Chris from Quilters Headquarters in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, doing a live box opening. Tula Pink.
Tula Pink, and we ordered her basic line. So this is a basic, but I think we got more coming.
I'm going to get smart and I'm going to start here.
That would
and
be
then
awesome.
Move instead of having to
I think that's
move
a good
piles.
You know,
Everybody
we learn.
everybody online's going, I wonder why she didn't think of that sooner. Probably screaming at me, Lori, if you had to start on the other end.
It takes us a while, but we get it.
Dude, I get smarter as I go.
Oh, that's a pretty one. I love
That's
Tulas.
cute. Little birds. I love the colors in it.
Yes. Oh, Christy from Kentucky is online.
Hi,
Hi,
Christy from Kentucky.
She's got a new beautiful grandbaby girl.
Does she really?
She does.
She's probably not sewing up a storm then, huh?
No, she's loving that baby up.
Making baby blankets. Let's see. Today, Lincoln turns 1.
One. Oh, I saw that.
Happy birthday, Lincoln.
Yes.
They're going to move to Phoenix in a couple weeks.
Oh, that's going to be even farther away.
I know.
That's a pretty yellow. I like that design.
I like it. This one's pretty.
Yes.
Love the colors.
Very colorful.
What you going to make, Chris?
I don't know. I'm kind of thinking. That peach one is really kind of talking to me.
Sherry in here, she'll find stuff to make out of it.
She
Too.
is. She's going to be out for another 3 weeks.
That's Sherry.
She really hurt her wrist bad. Look at those.
There we go.
Oh,
There's
gosh,
one
yeah.
box. They packed this box loose.
They did.
All
They gave us one in a bag too, which really is odd.
I know it could have fit in the box. There's plenty of room.
Yeah, this is. Hopefully we'll get the rest of it tomorrow, because
It doesn't look like enough.
no, it doesn't. Because there were several bolts. There was like 20 SKUs in that one, I think, at least.
Well, there's
7, 8.
there.
Oh, maybe we
Might
got.
be 20 SKUs. Who knows?
Didn't open it far enough. I had to get the shipping label out of it.
It was weird. It's wrapped more than once. So, one moment. The cardboard's busted.
Aw,
I hate that. I hate
we're
when
getting
that
more and more
happens.
like that, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's pretty, guys. Look at that. These are the variegated dots.
That's when you got to take in little bits, because if you look at it too much, it'll hurt your eyes.
Yes, it's true.
Go into seizure mode.
Oh, we don't want that. We got enough problems, Lori. We don't need that.
Our employees are dropping like flies.
Casey.
Casey said she came in like that.
All right, that's a pretty green and pink.
That's cool.
You know, I haven't seen Miss Shane on here. And she's a
Where
Tula
is
Pink.
she?
She must be sewing.
She doesn't know how much fun she's missing.
Oh, she'll figure it out. These are so her. Oh, that one's a pretty one.
Love, love, love.
I think we got more coming. This is not it.
Look at that. We did order a big order.
We did.
Maybe we spread it out over a few months.
I don't think maybe we did, but I don't think so. Because I was excited to get them in.
That's one of my favorites.
That's a pretty one, too.
Let's see.
These would go really nice with the cake, too.
Yes. Mix up the wild and craziness.
That's right. Need some solidish wild and crazy.
Wild and crazy.
Oh, yeah, we're missing some here. Because there's a lot more colors of the birds. And
Oh, really?
yeah, there's a white bird that's really pretty. And there's a pink bird that's really pretty.
I wish I had half your memory.
Oh, no, you don't. Because it remembers really
Unnecessary
Yes,
things.
exactly. Can I remember why I went into the kitchen? No.
She can remember what my pattern looks like that I'm sewing. That just blew me away that day.
I think I've looked at that pattern to make the one that you're making.
I'm almost done. I have two
Are
more
ya?
seams, yeah.
Look at you go. Oh, that's got a gray background. Look
That's
at that.
my favorite one right there.
That's a pretty one.
And you know, I don't know if all of you people know this online, but if you look at the dots on the selvage, that's all the colors that are in your fabrics.
Yes, and some of them are really cute. Some of them have
Yeah.
umbrellas, or they'll have frogs or
Yeah.
something that's kind of new to the
Yeah.
line. Well, this is just one part of the Tula. I know we ordered a lot more than this because there's some missing, but
So that's what we have so far.
So
That
far.
was quite a bit for one day.
I think so.
I haven't seen the invoices, so I don't know if there's anything coming in anymore this week.
I haven't either noticed anymore.
So that's probably it for this week. But we'll cut some fat quarters on this and
Yes.
do a drawing, and we figured out a better way to do drawings.
Yes.
So we'll get faster, easier, and you're gonna win some fat quarters. All
Quarters,
you gotta do is
yeah.
comment and watch our video. So we'll see ya. We'll do a fat quarter drawing probably, maybe even
tomorrow.
before we go today.
Oh, we could do that. Yeah.
I gotta show Chris how to do it. It'll be awesome.
Yes, that would be wonderful.
Okay. Bye,
All right.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining.